Looking to breathe new life into your aging Toshiba satellite laptop? Today, we're checking out the 8GB DDR3 RAM module, specifically designed for a range of Toshiba satellite models, including the C50B022, C55 series, C855-1LD, M840-1034XG, and even the NB15T 81302. If your laptop is on that list, this could be a fantastic and affordable upgrade. This is a single 8GB module, operating at 1,333 MHz with a PC3-10600 rating. It's a DDR3 SODIMM, which is the standard for laptops, and it has the typical 204-pin configuration. Importantly, it runs at 1.5V, adhering to the JEDEC standard, so you shouldn't have any compatibility issues related to voltage. The key benefit here is improved performance. Adding more RAM is one of the most effective ways to speed up a slow laptop. With 8GB, you'll notice a significant difference in multitasking, running demanding applications, and even just general responsiveness. The system will be able to handle more simultaneous tasks without bogging down, leading to a smoother and more enjoyable user experience. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home, even without prior expertise. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions on how to access and install RAM, paying close attention to proper seating and channel configurations. ATEC also highlights the quality control measures they put in place. Each memory module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and dependable performance. This is crucial as you want a RAM upgrade that will last and perform consistently. Finally, the ATEC module is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they offer tech support to assist you before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or encounter any issues. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost the performance of your compatible Toshiba satellite laptop, the ATEC 8GB DDR3 RAM module is definitely worth considering. It's an affordable upgrade that can make a real difference in your daily computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.